everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I made some more pens, and I had purchased these from Karen Thomas, and I will put a link to her store in the description box. And I love how these turned out. I wish I had known how gorgeous these colors with the base were going to be, because oh my gosh, I would have ordered a ton of them, and I think I would have chosen them over the metal, the silver and the gold. But then I like the silver and gold too, so oh my god, I can't make up my mind. And so this is a pen that I made for my mom, and this is one that I've made for my sister, and this is the one I made. I made another one for myself. And but I'm going to make a couple more later on in the week. One is for my doctor and one is for my nurse. And so I will come back and share with you how I make those and put them together. But she was kind enough to send me some of the things from her shop so that I could share them with you and show you some of the things she has, some of the beads she has. She just has really awesome products in her store. And so I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you that and share that with you. I haven't opened it and I'm dying to. But I wanted to show you the pens first, and then I will be back later on doing a video showing you how to put the things together, some of the things that she sent together, as well as how to replace the refill cartridge in the pen. So I'll be right back and we'll open these packages together. Alright everybody, here are the two packages that she sent me, and I can't decide which one to open first. I'm so excited. Alright, we're gonna go with this one. Alright, I made up my mind. Now I'm sticking with it. Okay, I'm so excited. I just wanted to tear into them, but I thought no, I wanted to share these with you. Everything came packaged really well. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. Can you see them? Let me get this out of the way. She has makeup brushes. She has olive and salsa spoons. She has letter openers. She has different condiment spoons. She sent me more pens. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the thing that I had told you about, that for those of us who do paper piecing, we also use for our chalks, we put something like this. You'd put your pom-pom right here, and you would be able to use this to chalk your pieces. Look at these gorgeous beads. And you can get all of these beads in her shop. Oh my golly, this is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love this bead. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Let's take them. I want to show you everything, and I want to get them out of the bags so that you can see it all up close. Look at that. These are gorgeous, and you can get these, if I'm not mistaken, you can get these for your pens as well. I will find out, and I will put it in the description box for you, because I want you to know. But I think you can buy these specialty tops specifically for your pens. Look at these. Oh, this brush is so nice. And these beads are incredible. Oh my gosh, look at this. I was really anxious to see her beads, and I love them. And she sells, I don't know if you can buy them separately or if they come in her bead kits, but she adds some of these smaller beads that help brace these bigger ones. And I've not been able to find them in the store. So, you know, if you're going to make some of these, you definitely want to check out her bead sets and see if you can buy the smaller beads as well. Look at the top of that. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. And this is a stylus. This has the softer rubber tip. And she has, this is the, she has two different kinds. One has the softer rubber tip, and I think one is firmer. I'm not sure, but check when you go to the site, check, because she does carry two different kind. Look at these beads. Oh my golly. I have never seen beads like these at the store. They're beautiful. Oh my gosh. I got some more. Besides the ones that I want to do for my doctor and my nurse, I've got more that I want to make. And I will be getting some beads from her shop because these are incredible. These are like nothing I've ever seen. They are, look at the charm. Oh my gosh, guys. Can you see that? Look at the charm. And these beautiful beads. Oh my golly, they're gorgeous. The pen. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. Now let's show you the ones that she sent that do not have the beads on them. And so we've got the letter opener, which is a very similar design to the pen, but ooh, that's nice and sharp too. That will definitely do what you need it to do. And I'm going to slide that right back in there so that I don't lose anything. And I will come back and show you what these look like. We'll do some together in a later video. Again, another beautiful makeup brush. Look at these guys. Oh my golly, they're beautiful. Now this is unique. I have never, let me get this one doesn't have a zipper top here. I gotta cut this one out. But this is what, it's listed on her site as a salsa or olive spoon. So it's so cute. Oh my golly, this stuff is awesome. And then here's another one of those clips. So I don't know if oh my golly, I don't know that I could ever make one more beautiful than that. Oh my gosh. And then she's got the little tinier spoons that she's got for, like if you were to have jams or jellies or things like that that you can use. So those are, and she's got, I have like, I don't want her to think I've stalked her, but I've kind of stalked her. She has bowls and things that you can bead as well. More of the makeup brushes, and I will come back and definitely do a video showing how you add the beads to everything. Let me scoot these aside because there's another package. All right, I'm just opening it up here. I asked her to give me some of her business cards because when I give out my my gifts, my pens, I wanted to be able to make sure that they knew how they could get refills. She sent me some refills. Oh my golly, she is just amazing. Now, I'm going to have a coupon code in the description box. You can use that coupon code, and if you do, you get a free bag of beads. Now, she said that each bag is, you know, going to be different. But look at, oh, it's got those beautiful beads that I loved. Oh my golly, and bead caps, and she's got sea glass too, guys. I bought some white sea glass from her. Just look at those gorgeous beads. Oh my golly. So this is what you would get if you're able to use the coupon code. You would get a discount and some of these beads. So let me put those in there, and then I'm going to share with you the beads that she sent for me to play with. Oh my golly. This is the pink sea glass. Oh, I got the white, so I was torn because I couldn't decide if I wanted the pink or the white, and now I can play with both. Oh my golly, these are beautiful. I'm not sure if these are stone. They might be. She has just really amazing beads. And if you like, you know, like, looks like a turquoisey color, that's beautiful. And here would be the size, again, one of the bags. Like if you got a free bag from her, you would get like this size. I love these beads. Oh my golly, I love those beads. Now I know that she sells these ones in a string. I'm not sure how the rest of them are sold, but I will link everything so that you can go and check everything out. Oh my golly, they're gorgeous. Now look at this. Oh my gosh. I want to be able to pour these out so you guys can see them better. And she has charms. Look at this. It's all one bead. It's beautiful. And that one, oh my golly. She has acrylic beads. She has glass beads. She has, I mean, just all different kinds. Oh, that's pretty. I've never seen one done like that. And I hope the camera's picking it up. Never seen one where it's got, oh, it's got different shapes. It's got like a, the word went right out of my head what this cut of a stone is. And then it's got square, almost like a cat's eye. Then it's got square. Oh my gosh. And she's got a beautiful cross that you can put on your pen. Oh, here's another one. Oh my golly, look at this. That is so cute. Oh guys, there's so many things, and I will be back. And oh, it's got little hearts on it, and it's nice and heavy. Look at that. Here's some blacks. I think that one's black as well. I'm sure this one is. And it's got the gold and the black, so that would be really pretty on a black base, a gold base. I mean, just gorgeous. And these are some of the small beads that she sells that she put here to help keep the larger stones in place. So pretty. You guys have got to go check her out. You will love it all. Look at this one. Oh my golly, how pretty is that? So pretty. Alright guys, I won't keep you. I want to link everything so you can go check it out. And this way you can see all this gorgeousness for yourself. And like I said, she even has bowls that you can bead as well. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, I could keep in here forever showing you everything, and I want you to see everything, but I want you to go look too. Look at that, I love that. And oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Go check her out. Here are all of the beautiful things that she sent. I will be back in the next few days showing you how to bead her products, as well as how to replace the refills in the pens. And you will love it as much as I do. Her prices are really good. Alright everybody, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will do my best to answer them. I will. I've also talked to Karen and let her know that she can answer the comments on these videos. So if I can't answer it, she probably can. So be sure to leave your questions and comments below. And remember to practice your CPR. Craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.